Alright, my dear friends, so if I ask you, if I fall a light stick or a heavy stone, then which one will fall first? So this is my very simple question to you. So if I perform this experiment, let's perform this experiment. So you might have observed that both of them fall simultaneously. This was told by Aristotle, that if we neglect the air resistance, if there is no air resistance, then it doesn't matter whether an object is heavier or lighter, both the objects will fall simultaneously, or both the objects will fall together exactly the same. To prove this, we can perform the following experiment. Suppose if I have a leaf over here and I just simply leave it, so due to air drag it falls like this. And if I take a copy like this, alright, if I take a copy like this and I just move my hand, see, the air drag is neglected and it falls as it appears to fall. Means when we leave any lighter thing, due to air drag it goes on like this, and when we remove the air, then it doesn't matter whether anything is lighter or heavier, it will fall exactly at the same time, means both the object will fall simultaneously.